Hello students, welcome to all of you in class 10 maths class. Today we are going to start the new chapter quadratic equation. First introduce what is a quadratic equation. Equation okay, a statement of equality introduced with the variables is called an equation. And what is a quadratic equation? Any equation have a degree 2 is called a quadratic equation. The standard form of the quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real number and a not is equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are the real numbers and a not is equal to 0. It is the equation, right is the equality, and degree of the variable is a 2. It is called the quadratic equation. Now, if b is equal to 0, so this equation in the form ax square plus c is equal to 0. It is also the quadratic equation when the b is equal to 0. For example, 2x square plus 5 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. Second case, if c is equal to 0, so this equation is in the form ax square plus bx is equal to 0. It is also the quadratic equation. Given example, 3x square plus 5x is equal to 0. It is another example of the quadratic equation. If b and c both are the 0, if b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 0, so this equation can be represented ax square is equal to 0. It is also another kind of the quadratic equation. Explain the example, 3x square is equal to 0. The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, the quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus c is equal to 0. For example, 2x square plus 5 is equal to 0. If c is equal to 0, so this equation represents ax square plus bx is equal to 0. For example, 3x square plus 5x is equal to 0. If b and c both are the 0, the quadratic equation can be written in the form ax square is equal to 0. For example, 3x square is equal to 0. Now, check the given equation is a quadratic or not. Check the given equation is a quadratic or not. Now, give an example. Check 3x square plus 7x plus 3 is equal to 3x into x plus 5. Check it is a quadratic equation or not. Now first simplify this equation. 3x square plus 7x plus 3. Break the bracket. First 3x multiplied with x, 3x square, 3x multiplied with 5, 5 3 is 15x. Transpose all these values in LHS. 3x square plus 7x plus 3. 3x square transpose in LHS, sign will be changed, plus 3x square converted into minus 3x square minus 15x is equal to 0. 3x square cancel out, plus 7x minus 15x minus 8x plus 3 is equal to 0. This equation is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Minus 8x plus 3 not a quadratic equation, not a quadratic equation. Now again check by using the another example. 2x plus 3 is equal to x into x plus 7. Now solve this equation. 2x multiplied with x, 2x square, plus 2x multiplied by 3, 6x, x square plus 7. Transpose this value in LHS. 2x square plus 6x minus x square minus 7 is equal to 0. 2x square minus x square is x square plus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. This equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is a quadratic equation. So dear student, solve the another example with this process and check how to check the given equation is a quadratic or not. Thank you.